Welcome to today's video. Are you or someone you care about looking for natural ways to improve prostate health? As men age, prostate problems like enlargement, inflammation, or even cancer can become a serious concern. But there's good news. In this video, we'll dive into powerful science-backed remedies that can help support prostate health, reduce symptoms, and improve quality of life. Plus, we'll share practical tips on how to use these remedies and highlight when it's essential to seek professional advice. The prostate is a key gland in the male reproductive system, located below the bladder and surrounding the urethra. Its main function is to produce fluid that supports sperm health. Despite its small size, the prostate grows as men age, which can sometimes lead to health problems. Here are some common prostate-related issues. Prostatitis, a swelling and irritation often caused by bacterial infection, leading to pain and difficulty urinating. Benign Prostatic Hyperplasia BPH, a non-cancerous enlargement of the prostate, common in men over 50, causing frequent urination, especially at night. Prostate cancer, a potentially serious condition that can make urination painful and challenging. While some prostate issues may not be life-threatening, it's crucial to seek medical evaluation for proper diagnosis and treatment. Now let's explore natural remedies that may support prostate health. Always consult a healthcare provider before trying new treatments, especially if you have underlying conditions. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, a mineral essential for prostate health. Research published in Urologia Internationalis highlights that compounds like beta-sitosterol found in pumpkin seeds may help reduce symptoms of BPH, improving urine flow and bladder function. Although not widely studied, watermelon seed tea has been a traditional remedy for kidney and bladder health. A small study published in the European Journal of Medicinal Plants suggested potential benefits for improving prostate-specific antigen PSA levels. To try it, grind 1 tablespoon of fresh watermelon seeds, steep them in hot water, and drink twice daily. Nettle is a medicinal plant traditionally used to treat BPH. A 2015 study found that nettle extract may help reduce prostate enlargement. It can be consumed as tea, in supplements, or added to dishes. Handle it carefully as fresh nettle can sting, and avoid using it if you have diabetes, low blood pressure, or kidney issues. Lycopene, a powerful antioxidant found in tomatoes, has been linked to a reduced risk of prostate cancer. A study in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute supports its role in protecting against cell damage. Incorporate tomatoes into your diet through fresh salads, soups, or juice to reap their benefits. Brazil nuts are rich in selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your body from harmful free radicals. Selenium is vital for reducing inflammation and supporting overall prostate health. Studies suggest that adequate selenium levels may lower the risk of prostate cancer and prevent inflammation from worsening. Just a few Brazil nuts a day can provide all the selenium you need. However, it's important not to overdo it. Too much selenium can be toxic, so stick to natural food sources and avoid unnecessary supplementation. While natural remedies can be beneficial, they are not a replacement for medical care. If you notice any symptoms or suspect a prostate condition, consult a healthcare provider. Early maintaining a healthy prostate is possible with a combination of natural remedies, a balanced diet, and regular exercise. These simple changes can make a big difference in your quality of life. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health tips and information. And if you want to keep exploring the world of natural health, feel free to check out our other videos with tips and secrets for well-being. See you next time.